Changing the oil on the cat, $2.99. If you guys are like me, you spend more time looking for your tools. Let's hope we can find the ratchet. Might just be our lucky day. Or we could try this. Plug full of mud, imagine that. Now we got to make a drain pan. Open the fill for better flow, like so. Of course, my drain bucket wasn't big enough, just barely. Let's see what Cat sent us. Looks like a maintenance kit. When you deal with the best brand in the dirt business, this is what you get. We got our oil samples for Cat. Filling out the information for our oil samples. Samples are ready to go back to Cat. Let's put the drain plug back in. Time to take off the oil filter. Put a little oil on our oil filter gasket. Time to fill it back up. Let's start it up and then check the oil level. Let's see what it looks like. Let's say we could add just a little bit more. Let's write our hours and date of time we changed the oil. Let's reset our engine oil hour change time on the meter. Yes. Let's go down to filter. Yes. Time to clean up our mess. Well guys, that's how you change the oil on the Cat.